Welcome back guys to DBK Productions. Today we're continuing work on my auction A4B7 build. More like a project than a build, but today we're continuing the maintenance on the car. In the last episode we removed the EGR valve because no specific reason, we just didn't want it on the car. We installed exhaust blanking plates, intake blanking plate and the EGR valve blanking plate. We did also remove the engine valve cover. Here we have the new part. This was the old one. I've broken it a little bit, but as you can see, I believe this one. Anyways, we're gonna replace that. As well, we did replace the glow plugs on the car. We have them here. These were the old ones. And some of them were changed out recently, like this one from NGK. We did also remove the salon filter or interior filter for the fresh air, intake filter for the intake manifold. We did remove this little cage as well as this foam because it was starting to deteriorate, and then we really didn't want to have this into the engine bay. These are the new clips for the air mass sensor because it was previously held in by zip tie. Not the worst of the things that it could be, but I mean, sure. This is the part from the EGR valve as well. This is the part I'm going to install. These are all the parts that was installed previously. This is the air mass sensor that was a little bit too small for my use. I did remove the sensor from this one and installed it on the intake manifold because the housing itself was fine. The sensor part was damaged. I've installed the new wiring harness into the head. Everything went pretty smoothly, to be honest. There's just enough space to bend this little plastic like a little oval shape, and then you can slide it in. I've also installed the bolts retaining the plug in the head, as well as I've installed the plug going to the ECU and everything. I've cleaned the head pretty well with the greaser. Bought a new Febi Valve cover gasket. Cleaned the valve cover itself. It looks pretty nice now, as well as bolts, and everything's going pretty smoothly. Okay guys, I think I'm done for today. I didn't end up installing the valve cover. I cleaned it, I installed the wiring harness, connected everything up, tightened everything. In the prior video I did also install a Meyle Fuel filter, T-piece and new hose clamps. I shortened the pieces a little bit because they were rotted, but other than that everything seems to be in really good condition. Didn't need to replace that. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to follow me on Instagram, because if I'm filming it, I'm posting it there, so you can see a pretty good previews of the videos. Like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one. See ya!